Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Ainul Hayat. Today I want to present about my final product, which is the product name is portable light box. This product, portable light box, is to help students with less skill in drawing to draw the perfect image. Why I designed this product is because a lot of suburban school is lack of facilities. One of the facilities is dressing table, but if as we know, dressing table is quite expensive. So I designed this product to help students to replace the dressing table with this product. The function of this product is to help students to trace the image and get the perfect image. It makes students easy to draw and enjoy learn art. This portable light box is improved to make the light box portable and easy to bring anywhere, and it's not heavy, and the important part is it's affordable. I think this product can be marketed to school to help the school reduce or to save cost of dressing table. This product is very affordable because this product is only using a plywood and acrylic glass, and then only use battery to power up the LED inside this box. So I show you guys like this. Only use a battery, and then it can light the LED. Like I say, this product only use battery to power it up. This is the battery space. This product has the stand. This is the holder of the product, so student can bring this product everywhere, just like their bag. Okay, I will show you how to use this product. First, we must turn off the light first, and then we gonna switch on the battery, plug it, the battery, and then we can put the image that we want to trace, and then get a piece of paper to withdraw, and then we just can simply draw the image with the perfect image. Okay, now we done and we get the perfect image. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.